Hey everyone, my gorgeous people. Today we did a fantastic project on cryptocurrency investment platform. So this project is going to be about cryptocurrency investment management system, whereby your clients can invest with cryptocurrency, send deposits, withdraw, and make different type of trading on the platform. It has a lot of functionalities which I will walk you through on this video. Um, this cryptocurrency project, these are the features that we have on the cryptocurrency project. Now, your users can register, they can sign up with their username, full name, their email, their phone number, their password, and then they can register, and they can also register with Gmail accounts. So if they're already registered, they can actually log in. So um so as a user, I can log in and logging in. If I log in and go to my dashboard, and it has a notification system for all customers, for all your users that are using the platform when they logged in. Say announcement, welcome to FX trade, your journey to trade begins now. So every time users log in, they see this. So on the dashboard, you can see users can see account balance, profits that they've made in trading, can see their bonus that admin gave them, the company gave them, total referral, how many people they refer. There's a referral system as well, and also investment plans. And then we also have total investment, we have total deposit and total withdrawals. And then you can switch this payment option based on the currency you want to accept, be it euros or any form of payment you want to accept. So personal trading chart for users is also available, where users can trade, select their trading chart and all. And then Forex market fundamental data, which is automated and updated, is also available for insight about trading. And it also have a dark mode, whereby if your users can toggle and change to dark mode, or also they can just toggle back to have these features. So currently we are on users dashboard. So this is the functionality we have on users: profit record, transaction history, crypto exchange. So so let's say, so on profit record, users can also see their return on investment on profit record. So this will let them know the profit that they make, the dates they make the profit and all. And then all the users can track how their daily record, their daily investment on profit is. So for example, admin set an investment plan, and every day you set how much the users are going to be making every day, their profit and all. So the users will be seeing their ROI history from their dashboard. And also we also have a section where your users can fund their account, like they can deposit in their accounts with this system. You can deposit with any available cryptocurrency. You can deposit with Skrill, PayPal, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin. So they can also deposit with bank transfer. They can deposit with Paystack. They can also deposit with PayPal. So all these payment options are available on this script, on this project, And then, so we also have the withdrawal form for the withdrawal plan for the user. So user can withdraw with multiple options. They can withdraw either with Skrill, Dodge, bank transfer, Bitcoin, Ethereum. They can also withdraw with any forms of crypto that they want. It also wants to withdraw money via bank transfer or through other means. So they can withdraw their cryptocurrency with any of these available, with any of these that we have available. So also transaction history can also be recorded on the user's dashboard. We can see their transaction history, deposits, can see processed, how much they deposited and how much they withdraw from which accounts they withdraw from, what method of payment did they use to withdraw, and all of those things like that. Status, if it is processed, if it is on hold, if they have not been processed, if the payment have not been approved, and all like that. Same thing happens to deposit. You see all this and others, which is going to be on trading. So can see investment capital, plan purchase, premium, startup plan, different types of plan that the company sets is going to be. Everything is every trade, every plan that the user selected is going to be seen right here. And also crypto exchange is also available on this project, whereby you can charge your customers, you can charge your clients on, we can convert their cryptocurrency from one coin to another. Let's say I have a Bitcoin, I want to convert it to Ethereum. So using this section, crypto exchange, your users can exchange their crypto. So if I have one Bitcoin, I can convert it to Ethereum, and then you can also make money with this with charging 2%. So this fee that you can charge, you can change, you can select this fee from admin end, and also whenever they make any Bitcoin conversion amount they want to convert and all, so you will be getting the 2% to be automatically calculated, and you'll be making your money, and then your user will be converting their dollars. So let's say, for example, I have dollars, so from source accounts, so USD, from source account USD, so destination accounts I want to convert to Bitcoin. So amount in dollars, let's say $50, I want to convert $50 with Bitcoin. So you'll be getting this and your exchange fee. So once you make your exchange, it's going to be displaying on your dashboard that you make these changes. So let's quickly exchange this. You see we have 4.99 Bitcoin now, and we have $419. So if I click on exchange, refresh, exchange successfully, refreshing your balance. So now, as you can see, 319, the Bitcoin is added and everybody is happy. So the user can withdraw this Bitcoin through withdraw funds and all like that. So also, these are pull away some another features for you to make income with this project. So investment plan packages that admin sets, this you can set different types of plan you have, and starter plan, which is all this. Your user will see the plan, amount invested, so they can pay, can join this plan, and once they join this plan, they can make payment for $20, $30, or $1,000 based on how much is set for each of the plan. So this is your packages, which is also investment packages. So let's say you want to, let's say the user wants to make trading, you can add the plan of trading that he wants to do. So they can invest minimum of, let's say they want to invest $50 in this plan. So once they join the plan, they can, so you also say purchase a plan and your plan is now active. So minimum return every day, maximum return is $60, duration 4 hours. So in 4 hours, based on what you set from your admin hand, you'll be getting a return of $60. So this is how you can set whatever it is you want to set. So also you can check, there's also my investment referral, where your users can refer people, and every referral you can set commission from admin hand as well. So let's say my investment, so I'm clicking on my investments. As a user, you want to check the investment you just subscribed to, which is this startup plan activated on Wednesday, blah blah blah. Also like that. So from admin end, if any plan that is available that is not yet expired, which can be set from admin end, well, users will also see it here. So active plan is $50 4 hours. So there are a lot of cool stuff right here that the user can enjoy while they are transacting with your platform. Also, the user can set their account. They can buy plan, they can withdraw, they can also set their account, and a lot of cool stuff like that. They can set their phone number, nationality, date of birth, withdrawal settings, how they want to withdraw cryptocurrency. They can fill their Bitcoin address, Ethereum address. They can save it for withdrawal purpose, password and security. They can set their password. And also the best thing about this project is very powerful, and it has very good security. So your user can click on advanced settings and decide to set 2FA authentication. They can enable it so that once they log in, they can authenticate it with 2FA factor so that their account will not be hacked and stuff like that. So you see, these are some system and other settings like send mail when I get profit and other settings that they can save by themselves. So if you're looking for a project like this, we are looking for a complete cryptocurrency management system, this is for you. You should get this project, and then you will be on your way to start making a lot of cool money. So from the admin point of view, or from admin end, so as an admin, this is what you have, this admin dashboard. So as an admin, you see all the total deposits, pending deposit, total withdrawal, pending withdrawal, people that wants to withdraw, how many investment plan we have, how many users we have. We can block users, we can know the total number of users, and also you can set your account settings. So on admin dashboard, this is system settings where you can add your investment plan. So this investment plan, you can either edit all this investment plan, and also you can also add the plan. You get it? So, and also let's wait for this to quickly load. And also FX trade users. So you can manage a user, you can add new user from your hand, you can also manage a user, you can also manage the user, you can delete the user, you can block the user, you can do whatever you want with the user. So this is a user, test user account balance to see the information of your users and all like that. So you can take action on this user, you can block the user, you can credit or debit their accounts, you can clear their accounts, you can send email to them, you can log into their account as this you can log into every user's account, which is very great. You can edit this account, you can turn off trade for this account so that this user will not be able to trade at all. And then you can also set KYC verification. You see this is saying KYC verified. You can set it under settings for KYC verification if you want to allow your user to be verified. So also, you see, you can start up, and this is how you edit your plan. Startup plan, set your price, set your maximum price for that plan, set your minimum price, bonus you want to give them, percentage, investment duration, how many days, 4 hours, 20 days, depending on how much you set. So top up amounts, this is amount system we have to use as profits. So you can set a lot of things on your admin hand. You have total control over this project. Also, manage client deposits. So every client that deposits, you can see them, you can download their CSV file, you can delete them, you can view them, you can view each user. Also, if you click on view, you can view the deposits for payment that they make and all like that. So you can also manage clients withdrawals, which is this. You can process it, you can view it, you can view their withdrawal request, and you can approve it, you can approve it, you can decide not to approve it, and all like that. So you can add managers, you can block managers, you can delete manager, you can do any of your managers. So you can give your manager position, whether an admin role or you want to give them a manager role. You give them a manager role, you restrict some portion of the platform. You want to give them the full access, you can create another admin. So, and payment settings, how your users can make payment on their platform, you can set it right here. Status, you can view it, and then you can enable or disable this particular payment if you don't want a user to accept this payment. So you see, status enabled, you can disable it. So, and click on save. So many options you can activate for your payment settings. You will see we have a lot of different options and all. So payment preferences, manual, if you want to set manual, If you want it to be manual, you can set it. If you want it to be automatic, you can set it. If you also want their withdrawal to be manual and automatic, you can set it. And different type of coin payment, you need to set your coin payment API. You understand? Connect your coin point, merchant ID, go to coin point, create your account, and connect this API secret key. So payment gateway, these are test purposes. You can create your Stripe account, PayPal account, Paystack account, and then input the necessary live payment so that whenever users are making payment, it goes to your account. So this is how you can do all this, and I hope this system is going to be something you're looking for. This is a complete system that's this is a complete system on cryptocurrency management system and a lot of stuff like that. So on every investment plan, you can set it the way you want, and you can also add a new plan, like I said. So depending on whatever it is you want, you see, you can add new plan, then you can create the plan 1 day, 2 weeks, 1 month, or how many days you want to set it to. All right, so under settings, you can turn off. The user will be able to see this if you turn it off. So 2% on cryptocurrency conversion. This is exchange fee. If you want them to exchange, how many percent you want to charge, you can put it here, save it. So what type of exchange do you want to accept? If you want to accept all of this cryptocurrency coin, you can click on enable, leave them the way it is, and set them up. And then if you can exchange, if it is 2%, you want to charge 3%, 1%, depending on how you want to charge it. Then if you want your users to be able to use MT4 trading system, if you want your users to be able to be using MT4 trading, you can select on, you can on it, then you can select subscription monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and then you can make your settings on MT4 subscription. So any users that subscribe for MT4 subscription gets to trade and a lot of cool stuff like that. So you can try and explore every other things you need to explore on this app, and I hope you're satisfied with this. So this is what you'll be getting with this project. So this is how you can build your own cryptocurrency management system. All this FX trade, you can change them, edit them under app settings and all like that. So thank you very much. So let's dive straight into how to set this up on your live server so that you can have all these features, functionality on your own project, on your own domain. So thank you.